If we move on, the parts that are important for us in drones when it comes to humanities and our human factors is part 67, our medical certification, because obviously we need to know our physiology. We need to know if we're actually working properly. Then part 91 is your general aviation and operating flight rules. This is where we start learning about things like time slots, time allocation. Okay, in manned aviation, you're not allowed to fly more than 40 hours a week. It might have been changed recently, I'm not sure about that. I haven't checked part 91 recently. But last time, before the update of the regulations, it was 40 hours a week. In drones, unfortunately, there is no time allocation, and that is why drone pilots sometimes have the hardest time, because you can be offered a job where you will be expected to work a full month, 12-hour shifts every single day, not a day break. You can be asked to do that. It's your job to then say no. That my human performance says I need more breaks than that. And then that's where you look at human performance versus human factors. Okay, and then part 101 is this. This is then the part obviously dealing with drones. Now there isn't actually much to do with human factors in part 101. But there are some things here and there. It's a good idea to go and just read the whole of part 101 and see what other parts you need to check on as a result.